Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to reset your workspace, layout workspace. Okay, if you have collapsed your workspace like this, my simple tips gonna help you a lot. Okay, fine. How to fix it? What you need to do is first, this factory default setting also will not work sometimes. If you give factory default settings, that also will open the new one. Okay, layout will open, but yours will be gone. Even if you're opening yours, open recent. So this is my file. So click on new and then open. Select your file, settings, uncheck this box and open it. That's it, friends. Now it's reset. Successfully reset is done. Workspace reset is successfully done, friends. This is the way you can retry your workspace in Blender. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback, media forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.